Do you want a good animation program, but you don't have all the money necessary to pay for the expensive license? What you need now is an open source and free animation program, and Synfig is exactly what you need. Synfig is a powerful animation tool that allows everybody, from beginners to really experienced or even pro, to create amazing animations. You can download Synfig for free at synfig.com. Once you will have downloaded and installed the software, you can open it, and this is more or less what you will see. The first thing you should do is click on Edit, Preference, and change the language if you need. I'm Italian, so for now it's fine. But I also suggest to change the UI to the dark theme, because it's really good looking, and I prefer it, so I leave to dark. Now, if you need to zoom in the scene, you can do it by pressing Ctrl and scrolling the mouse wheel, zooming in and out. You can also press the mouse wheel for moving around the canvas. If you need to change the canvas size, you can click on the translation should be canvas, click on preference, and here you can change the size horizontally or vertically in pixels. Being an animation program, you can also change the timing of the scene and the timeline. For example, here there are 24 frames per second. Starts at frame 0 and at frame 120, and the total length is 121 frames. For now, I will just change the size of the scene to 180p. As you can see, here there are a lot of different tools. For now, we will create a circle. We also want to change the color of the circle. Let's make it red and use the Fill tool. We now want to animate the scene and the circle, pressing this button right here for activating the animation tool or recording. Every movement that we will do right now will be recorded and will be seen as an animation. We can now move the circle by pressing on it and selecting the right timing, and in this case the end of the timeline, and we move the circle like this. Let's also change the color of the circle, and now we can exit the animation mode. Let's press recording button, and pressing play we can see the animation. We can also export the animation by rendering it. Thank you for being here. I hope you liked this video. Let me know what do you think about this program in the comment section below, and see you next time. Bye bye.